Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil. My roll number is 21ME30044 and I belong to section 14. For my DIY project 2, I made a burglar alarm which warns us if there is any movement of someone or something in a specified area. This is a PIR sensor which detects the movement in the area and sends that signal to the Arduino board, and that Arduino supplies a voltage to the piezo and the LED light accordingly. First, I wrote a code for this, for the working of this. First, Arduino reads the signal from the PIR sensor at pin number 12. If there is any movement in the area, the PIR sensor sends the signal as 1, and if it is 1, the pin number 11 is set to high. That means it supplies a voltage to the piezo and LED light. If it is 0, that means there is no movement in the area. The pin number 11 is set to low. That is how it works. So let's see how it works. So here there is no movement in the area. This is an area which the PIR sensor can sense. So there is a movement here. So the pin number 11 is set to high and the voltage is developed across the terminals of the piezo and across the terminals of LED light. And this makes a sound and this glows. And here also we can see in the serial monitor that the digital pin 12 reads the value 0 when there is no movement in the area, and when this moves it reads the value as 1. Yeah, this is how it works. Now I stop the simulation and convert this block code to the text code. I'll copy this whole text to the Arduino IDE and I compile this, and it compiled well. So this is my DIY project too, and thank you so much.